Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling the essentials so the transfer can actually begin. Turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on both devices and make sure they are on the same network or one is a personal hotspot. Sign into your Samsung or linked account so devices trust each other. Once signed in, open QuickShare and grant location, storage, and Bluetooth permissions. Doing this removes most access blockers, so transfers can be discovered and initiated immediately. Once done with permissions, select the files you want to send and tap Share, then choose QuickShare and select the target device from the list. Make sure to set visibility appropriately, everyone or contacts only, so the recipient appears. Choose transfer quality and prefer Wi-Fi only for large videos or many files. This avoids cellular charges. Keep the QuickShare screen open on both devices while the handshake and transfer negotiate, because backgrounding can interrupt the stream. You finish by confirming receipt and saving files on the target device. Accept the incoming prompt and pick a folder. If the transfer stalls, first toggle Wi-Fi or Bluetooth off and on, and restart QuickShare. This clears temporary network negotiation problems. If discovery fails, toggle airplane mode briefly or reboot the device to reset radios and services. As a last resort, sign out and back into the account. That refreshes permissions and device pairing so QuickShare.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.